On today's show, we are going to continue our juicing series, and we are going to do pineapple and apple drink. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Let's start out with sharpening our knife. So I have my knife and a sharpener, and I just pull it through like this. I try to do this fairly often. I really try to do it every show. Sometimes I forget, but just drag it through the sharpener like that, and then just say that can go in the top drawer. I hear it catching the shavings in the bottom of it when I shook it. And then I like to run it over a towel just to make sure there's no metal shavings. Now we're going to do our apples. So apples, you can do it with a knife if you want to do this. Don't worry about the seeds because the juicer will not pass the seeds. They will get caught in the screen. So Barb is reaching for the power button. Okay, and we have over here, well here I'm going to give you these and you can start on those. Oh, see if they're too big.
Yeah, they need to...
Okay, alright, I'll cut them.
Oops.
Alright, so I'm going to cut these up a little bit. So you have to cut them a little bit smaller so that they'll fit in the juicer. You know, this is not really major work. For as healthy as this is for you, this is really pretty simple. And it doesn't take a lot of ingredients to make a drink. So there's Barb is going to do that. Now here's how I generally cut them. I use an apple cutter, which looks like this. Now I had apples that were larger and they wouldn't fit in here. So for that I use the watermelon cutter. And I tell you, the watermelon is delicious. So we're going to be doing some of those. Keep an eye on our shows. My only words of advice is try to start your cutter at the angle that the apple is. So as you can see, it's crooked. It just makes it go easier. And this crazy little thing just really works well. And then you just literally rinse it with water. That was a whole lot faster than what I did with a knife. Talk about a convenience tool. Once again, ordered online. Probably Amazon. I was getting some stuff from Wish, but I'm pretty much done with Wish. They sell a lot of stuff, and I got a lot of stuff, but I don't think I need anything more. So we're going to do these apples. If the apple is ripe, it seems to go through easier. Okay, we need some apple juice, Barb. Let's take our, you know what, do we have a bottle handy? Here's our bottle for the apple juice and the funnel. And do we need to strain this at all?
Yeah.
Looks like there's
stuff.
Looks like there's seeds in it. Well, let me get a strainer.
Something.
So I have this little strainer, and we can set our bottle here and put the funnel in it and the strainer, and then you can pour it in. Now this is going to be slow when you're straining, because once that strainer gets plugged up, it is not going to want to run through. I remember this from when I made the popsicles with fresh fruit, and I used a juicer blender, the Bullet. That's what I used. I used the Bullet. This juicer works a lot better than the Bullet. All this is messy, but you know, like I always say, you're cleaning your cutting board. Okay, Barb, let's put this on a paper towel, and then that can go to the sink. This can go too. Yeah, put it in there. That can all go to the sink. So here is our apple juice. This will last 4 days in the refrigerator or about 4 months in the freezer. So you can measure this out if you want. You can put in a little bit, put in a lot. I'm going to guess that the apple is probably going to be pretty delicious with the pineapple and the lemon that we put in there before. We put a little honey in there before too, so here, give that a try. Pretty darn good, isn't it? Alright, so this is going to be better than eating potato chips or cookies or cake. So in between meals, when you get hungry, you just drink some of this juice. If you want to do a 90-day fast, that would really be good for you. You know, they call breakfast break fast, and that's because you fasted all night long. So this is definitely something good to have in the morning. When you get up, have some of this, and this would definitely be better for you than other things that you eat. If you need a little sweet, do a little trivia, do a little bit of honey. If it's too strong, there's water. Just use a little bit of water. But this is another successful drink, and we'll put the ingredients in. If you hit the subscribe button, you'll see the more button, and that's where we'll have the ingredients and the measurements for you. So there's another juicing video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.